What up, buttercup? Buttercup. Buttercup. What's the matter for you? What is the matter? I told you it's too early. You don't care? You expect to go out whenever you holler? Is that it? Oh, is you being a sad baby? Is you being a sad baby? Did you want to go for a walk? No? Are you being pouty now? Are you being pouty? Is it because we only had one hash brown for breakfast? And I only shared a bite with you? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh, that's not even making you smile? What's the matter? What's the matter with you? I don't even have nothing. I love you. I love you. You don't care? You're not happy because you only got one bite of hash brown? No. You're trying to lick the grease off my hands? I'm sorry, but I just washed them, so there's nothing there. There's nothing there. Oh, you're not a happy girl? Oh, I see a smile. I see a smile. Ew, you're not so grumpy? A not so grumpy girl. You're so cute. Get that camera out of my face, mama. Alright, let's go for a walk. Okay? Let's see if all our buddies are out there. Let's see if our buddies are out there. Yeah? You like your buddies? Okay, let's go. Let's go for a walk. Can we get one more smile? There we go. Alright. Bye.